Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do get a small commission anytime you make a purchase. Today we're doing puzzle number 65. And if we start with this box, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. There's a 3 and 8 here, so this is our 1. 8 here, so 3, 8. For this top row, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 has to be here. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here and a 7 here, so this is our 1. That 7 makes this our 6, 7. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this column, we're missing a 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 1, 3 here, so 6, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 covering here and a 7 covering here, so our 7 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 2 and 8. I don't see any help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 here and a 4 here, so that makes this our 8, 2, 4. That 8 makes this our 2, 8. For this row now, we're only missing a 1. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. And that 2 makes us our 8. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this column, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this row, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 6. 4 here, so 5, 4. And for this bottom row now, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 7 here, so 8 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.